Burcon NutraScience is a leader in plant protein technologies. We're doing a learning series with Kip Underwood, CEO of Burcon. With Burcon's manufacturing facility coming online in the next few months, we're diving into Burcon's financial outlook. I'm Martin Gagel with Market Radius Research. Please remember this is neither a recommendation nor investment advice. We're here to learn about the company. Kip, good to see you again.
Thanks, Martin, and thank you for having us today.
All right, firstly, can you remind us of the coming milestones and expected timeline for the plant commissioning, production, and initial sales?
Sure, absolutely, Martin. So I think if we go back to February, we announced to the market, I think, three critical things for Burcon. One, the first $1 to $3 million in revenue this year. The second, double-digit revenue in year two. And the third, cash flow positive in 2026. And so we laid those markers out. Since then, as we all know, we've completed fundraising. We've gained operation control of the facility. We've learned a lot. And I think it's really critical. Well, what have we learned? The first piece of the puzzle is we've installed our equipment. We've trained the operators at the facility. We've validated the facility's capability to produce our products at the highest possible quality. And we've validated that we can do that at appropriate cost relative to our projections. So on the cost side, we've turned a lot of unknowns into knowns in the last 68 weeks, and we're much more confident on the cost side of our financial projections now than we were even 6 or 8 weeks ago.
All right. You say double-digit revenue. Do you mean 10 million plus of revenues? That's what you're meaning by that?
Absolutely, and that's correct. And why are we? And we're even more confident about that now because as we have moved forward with the facility, our customers or potential customers, they're seeing that activity too, and they are accelerating their efforts, the efforts that occur before buy. So vendor approval, product approval, late stage evaluation. As a matter of fact, we had one of the world's largest food companies audit our facility and fully approve us within the last week or so. So their activity level is increasing, their investments increasing, and those are all precursors to eventual sales.
All right. And you also gave some guidance broadly on margins and that with the facility coming up in line and knowing how the machines are working and that you're comfortable on not just the revenue side, but on the cost side of things?
Absolutely. So we feel better about the cost side, feel better about the revenue side. And I think it's also important to ground everyone. We're in the execution phase. The execution phase really is about producing, selling, and putting Burcon on a strong financial footing. That alone should give our investors a great return opportunity. What's equally important is that we don't lose sight of phase two. Phase two is then how do we scale the business even beyond that via building, partnering, or licensing our technology. And phase two has even greater opportunity both for Burcon and our investors.
All right, Kip, thanks for that little dive into Burcon's financial outlook in the coming years. Have a great day and looking forward to the next meeting.
Thanks, Martin. Appreciate it.